We are going to learn a very interesting concept in this video. In MS Word, there is a concept called Format Painter. What is Format Painter? It usually allows us to apply a uniform font to a different types of text, to many variety of different types of text having difference in their font styles, font size and font color. Now let us assume that we have downloaded or copy pasted these three paragraphs from the internet. These three are totally different from each other. The first paragraph is having a font of Calibri, size of 14 and a color of red. The second the second paragraph is having Arial 16, color of blue. The third paragraph is having Algerian 11, color of yellow. So all these three are different from each other. Now this is not how you are going to present this document to a specific individual. If your teacher asks for a specific document, this is not how you are going to present this document to your teacher. You need to make things uniform with each other. So let us assume that this is the font style which suits best, which we want to apply for the other two paragraphs in this document. So what we are going to assume is this is my source document. If this is your source document, these two paragraphs will make it your destination document. We need to apply this font as a uniform to the second paragraph and the third paragraph. Now for that, under the Home tab, you will find an option called Format Painter with the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus C. It's given over here, Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This is Format Painter. How you need to apply a Format Painter? We need to choose any particular word or alphabet or the whole paragraph of the source formatting. So this is my source paragraph. I need to apply this source paragraph to the remaining document. So if I need to apply this source paragraph, I'll choose any one word of the source paragraph. Click on the Format Painter button over here under the Home tab. Click on the Format Painter button. I'll choose any one word. You can choose the whole paragraph also. I can choose this video option. I can choose the video text. I'll choose the Format Painter button. Now as soon as I'll click on the Format Painter button, your video option is selected. Now I'll take the cursor to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, you see the brush sign beside the cursor. I'll select the whole of second paragraph which I want to apply, and I'll release the cursor. You see the first paragraph and the second paragraph are now the same. Now I'll choose the whole paragraph is selected of the second paragraph. I'll choose the Format Painter button over here. I'll take it to the third paragraph. You see the brush sign beside the cursor. Start selecting the third paragraph fully and release the cursor. It will be uniform document. So this is how Format Painter works. You choose a source, click on the Format Painter, you click on the destination option. Next topic is the types of change case options. In types of change case, I have written a text called Welcome to the World of Information Technology. Now totally there are 5 types of change case options available in MS Word. What are they? Under Home tab, you will choose this option of capital A, small a. Total there are 5 types of change case. Number 1, sentence case, in which only the first alphabet will be in capital, the rest will be in small. So I'll click on the sentence case and show you the change. This is how the sentence case will work. If I choose uppercase, everything will be in capital. If I choose lowercase, everything will be in small. If I choose capitalize each word, then the first alphabet of each word will be in capital. Welcome, capital T, welcome, capital W, to small capital T, again the capital T, world capital W, of capital O, I capital, everything or every word's first alphabet will be in capital. I'll press Ctrl Z. Next comes, I'll come back to the original text. This is my original text. Next comes toggle case. Toggle case means the words which are in capital or the alphabets which are in capital, that will become in small. The small case will be becoming in capital case. So in this case, welcome, everything will become in small. These parts will become in capital. Capital I will change to small. Capital T will change to small. The rest of them will becoming in capital. Toggle case, see, welcome entirely in small letters. To the world of information I was previously in capital, now it has become small. Rest in capital. Technology was capital T, now it has become small t. Rest have become in capital. So these are the 5 types of change case options available. Sentence case, as it becomes in a sentence. So let us assume this is your sentence case. Begins with a capital letter. This is your sentence case. Video provides the first letter, you see, first letter is in capital letters. This is in sentence case. Toggle case, capital letters change to small letters change to capital letters. Uppercase, everything in capitals. Lowercase, everything in small. And capitalize each word. All the words will begin with a capital letter. So these are the 2 topics which I needed to explain it to you today. I'll come up again with a new video. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you everyone.